safe. Last class we have learned some problems from the exercise 1.1 as well as from the examples. Last class we have learned how to solve the given equation, and last class we have derived some results. Now today we are going to learn a new topic, inverse of matrix. Before that we should learn a simple concept: singular matrix, non-singular matrix, adjoint of the matrix. First you should know what is singular matrix. A matrix A is said to be a singular if A determinant equals 0. If A determinant equals 0, then the given matrix A is said to be a singular matrix. If A determinant is not equal 0, then the given matrix can be called as a non-singular matrix. For example, suppose if I have example 1.10, suppose if I have a matrix A equal to 1, 2, 2, 4. Now I am going to find determinant for this. A determinant equal to determinant 1, 2, 2, 4. Now this is equal to 1 4s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4. Now 4 minus 4 0. We got A determinant as 0. So we can conclude A is a singular matrix. Then suppose if I have a matrix A equal to 8, 2, 4, 3. Then A determinant equal to determinant A, 2, 4, 3. Now this is equal to 8 3s are 24 minus 4 2s are 8, which is nothing but 16. This is not equal to 0. Here we can conclude that A is a non-singular matrix. Let us move on to the next one, adjoint matrix. The transpose of a cofactor matrix will be called as a adjoint matrix. The transpose of a cofactor matrix will be called as a adjoint matrix. I already told you how to find the cofactor matrix. See? First you should find the cofactor matrix and then you can write the adjoint for the given matrix. In a 2 cross 2, there are two ways for finding adjoint. Example 1.12. Find adjoint matrix, adjoint A for A equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. See, first method, for a 2 cross 2 matrix, you can find adjoint matrix in two ways. First I am going to do first method. Here I am having A as 2, 3, 1, 4. First I am going to find cofactor for all the elements. A11 equal to A11 is the cofactor of the first element, that is 2, equal to, already told you one form, minus 1 power I plus j. Here our I is 1, j also 1. So 1 plus 1 into M11. Now this is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 2 into M11. M11 is the minor of 2. Already told you, in a 2 cross 2 the opposite element can be taken as minor. So here 4 is opposite to 2, so 4 can be taken as minor. So this is equal to 1 into 4, which is nothing but 4. Now I'm going to find cofactor for the next element A12 minus 1 power I plus j into M12. Now this is equal to minus 1 power 3 into M12 is the minor of 3. Here 1 is opposite to 3. So minus 1 into 1, this is minus 1. Now we are going to find cofactor for the next one. That is A21 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into M21, which is nothing but minus 1 power 3 into M21 is the minor of 1. Here the opposite elements is 3, so into 3. Now minus 1 into 3, which is nothing but minus 3. Now I'm going to find the cofactor for the last element A22 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into M22, which is nothing but minus 1 power 4 into M22 is the minor of 4. Here 2 is the opposite element, so 2 can be taken as the minor of 4. Now this is equal to 1 into 2. This is 2. Now I'm going to write cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix will be denoted by Aij. So Aij equal to here we are having the first cofactor 4 minus 1 minus 3 2. Now I'm going to find adjoint A. That is equal to Aij transpose. Now this is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 3 2 4 power t transpose. Now I'm going to find the transpose for this. Now I'm going to write the first row as first column 4 minus 1. Now I'm going to write the second row as second column minus 3. So these are required adjoint matrix for the given matrix A. Now I'm going to find adjoint for this in a second way. See, it's an easy one. You can follow the second method. Here our A equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. Now I'm going to find adjoint A equal to. See, there are two steps. The first you should interchange the elements of leading diagonal. Here we are having leading diagonal as 2, 4. Just I am going to interchange both elements 4, 2. Now you should change the sign of off diagonal. That is, you are going to change the sign of remaining elements. Here we are having 1 and 3 no. Here we are having plus 1, so I am going to put minus 1. Here we are having plus 3, so I am going to put minus 3. That's it. Just compare these two answer. Here we are having 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. Here we are having 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. Both are same. So you can follow either any one. But for a 3 cross 3, you should find the cofactor matrix. After that you can write the adjoint. Now, then the next one, inverse of a matrix. Inverse of matrix. See, for a non-singular matrix only you can find the inverse matrix. For a singular matrix you can't find a inverse matrix. So in order to find the inverse of the matrix, first you should find the determinant. If the determinant becomes 0, then you can simply write here determinant is 0, so it is a singular matrix, so A inverse does not exist. If determinant is non-zero, then you can find the cofactor matrix. After that you can find the adjoint matrix. Then finally you can find the inverse. First you are going to find adjoint matrix. Before that there is one form for finding inverse of a matrix. See, inverse of a matrix will be denoted by like this. A inverse equal to 1 by A determinant into adjoint A. This way you can find the inverse of the given matrix. First you should find A determinant, then only you can proceed the remaining thing. If it is A determinant is 0, then you can simply write A inverse does not exist. If it is not singular, you can find the inverse. Okay. Now we are going to do some problems from the exercise. Look at your book. Exercise 1.2. First one you can do it as a homework. Look at the third one. Find the inverse of each of the following matrices. In this, I am going to do first and third. Second and fourth, you can do it as a homework. First and three, I am going to do. Third and second and fourth, you can do it as a homework. Here we are going to find inverse for the given matrix. First I am going to take the given matrix as A. Let A equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 3. First I am going to find A determinant. A determinant equal to determinant 1, minus 1, 2, 3. Now this is equal to 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. This is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Here, our A determinant is not equal 0. So, A inverse exists. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now, I am going to find adjoint A equal to, see, first you should interchange the leading diagonal elements 3, 1. After that you should change the sign of off diagonal elements. Here we are having the remaining elements 2 and minus 1. No, just we are going to change the symbol. Here we are having plus 2, so I am going to put minus 2. Here we are having minus 1, so I am going to write 1. Here we got adjoint A. Now I am going to write inverse, that is A inverse equal to. Now I am going to find A inverse equal to, what's the formula? 1 by A determinant into adjoint A. That's it. Now I am going to just substitute the values. 1 by, here A determinant is 5. Now I am going to put A determinant as 5 into adjoint A. What's our adjoint A? 3, 1, minus 2, 1. That's it. We got adjoint A. We got adjoint A as well as A inverse for the given matrix. Now we are going to do the third one. Second one you can do it as a homework. Now I am going to do the third one. First I'm going to take the given matrix as B. Let B equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. Here we are going to find the inverse of matrix B. For that you should find B determinant. B determinant equal to determinant 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. Now I am going to expand this along with C1 column. Now this is equal to, first I am going to take the first element 1 into minor of this 2, 4, 0, 5. I am going to delete the first row and first column 2, 4, 0, 5. After that you should put minus. Now I am going to take the second element 0 into 0 into minor of this. So I am going to delete the second row and first column. The remaining elements 2, 3, 0, 5 plus the third element 0 into minor of this. For that I am going to delete the third row as well as first column. The remaining element 2, 3, 2, 4. Now this is equal to 1 into 2 into 5, 10 minus 0 into 4, 0. Minus, here we are having 0 into something. So 0 into anything, 0. Plus 0 into anything, 0. Now this is equal to 1 into 10, which is nothing but 10. Here we are having the determinant value as not equal 0. Here B inverse exists. Here we can find inverse for the given matrix since determinant B is not equal 0. Now I am going to find cofactor for all these 9 elements. First I am going to find cofactor for this. A11 equal to, now minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into M11. Now this is equal to minus 1 into 2 M11. What's our M11? Minor of 1. For that I am going to delete first column, the remaining element 2, 4, 0, 5. Now this is equal to minus 1 power 2 is 1. So determinant for this 2 5s are 10 minus 0, that is 10. Now I am going to find the minor for the next one. A12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into M12. Now this is minus 1 power 3 into M12. Minor of the second 2. For this I am going to delete the first row and second column. The remaining element 0, 4, 0, 5. Now this is equal to minus 1 power 3 is minus 1 into 0 into 5, 0. Minus 0 into 4, 0. It becomes 0. So this is 0. Now I am going to find cofactor for the next one, A13. Now minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into M13. Now which is nothing but minus 1 power 4 into M13 is a minor of 3. For that I am going to delete the first row and third column. The remaining elements are 0, 2, 0, 0. Now this is equal to minus 1 power 4 is 1 into 0 minus 0, that is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Now I am going to find the cofactor for the next one. Cofactor of 0, that is A21 equal to minus 1 power 1 into M21. Here M21 is the cofactor of 2. So minus 1 power 3 into M21. M21 is the cofactor of 0. So I'm going to delete the second row and first column. Second row and first column. So the remaining elements are 2, 3, 0, 5. For that I am going to find the determinant 2, 3, 0, 5. Now this is equal to minus 1 power 3 is minus 1. Then I am going to expand this 2 by 2 determinant. 2 5s are 10 minus 0. So this is minus 1 into 10, which is nothing but minus 10. Now I am going to find the cofactor of the next one 2. So A22 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into M22. Now minus 1 power 4 into M22 is the cofactor, is the minor of 2. So I am going to delete the second row and second column. The remaining elements are 1, 3, 0, 5. 1, 3, 0, 5. Now this is equal to minus 1 power 4 is 1 into 1 into 5, 5. So this is nothing but 5. Now I am going to find the cofactor for the next one. A23 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 3, 5 into M23. This is minus 1 power 5 is minus 1. Determine M23. Here I am going to delete the second row and third column. The remaining elements are 1, 2, 0, 0. So it becomes 0. 1, 2, 0, 0. This is minus 1 into 0. This is 0. Now I am going to find the cofactor for the remaining 3 elements. Now A31 equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 1. Here our I is 3, J is 1, so 3 plus 1, J I plus J, 3 plus 1 into M31. This is minus 1 power 4 into M31. M31 is the minor of this 0. For that I am going to delete Now I am going to find minor for this. For this I am going to delete the third row and first column. The remaining elements are 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. This is minus 1 power 4 is 1 into 2 4s are 8 minus 2 3s are 6. Now 1 into 2. Now I am going to find A32. This is equal to minus 1 power 5 into M32. This is minus 1 into determinant M32. M32 is the minor of this. For this I am going to delete the third row and second column. The remaining elements are 1, 3, 0, 4. 1, 3, 0, 4. Now minus 1 into 4 is nothing but minus 4. Now the last element A33 equal to minus 1 power 6 into determinant M33. 1, 2, 0, 2. This is nothing but minus 1 power 6 is 1 into 2. This is nothing but 2. Now I am going to write the cofactor matrix Aij. Aij equal to, now I am going to write all the cofactors. What's the first one? 10, 0, 0. Next one, minus 10, 5, 0, 2, minus 4, then the last one, 2. Now I am going to write adjoint A. Here it can be written as, okay. adjoint B equal to transpose of this. For that I am going to write the first row as first column 10 0 0, then minus 10 5 0, second row as second column, third row as third column 2 minus 4 2. Now I am going to find B inverse. For that 1 by B determinant into adjoint B. This is equal to 1 by B determinant. What's our B determinant? Ready? We got determinant B. No. What's our B determinant? We got 10. One by 10 into adjoint B. 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4 0 0 2. That's it. We got the inverse for the given matrix. Now we are going to do the next one. Look at the fourth one. If A equal to 2 3 1 minus 6 and B equal to minus 1 4 1 minus 2, then verify adjoint of AB equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Here we are going to verify adjoint of AB equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Fourth sum. First we are going to write the given matrices. Given A equal to, what's our A matrix? 2 3 1 minus 6 2 3 1 minus 6. B equal to, what's our B? Minus 1 4 1 minus 2. Here we are going to verify adjoint of AB equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Here we are going to verify this. First I am going to take LHS adjoint of AB. In order to find adjoint of A, we need to find AB. First I am going to find AB. A into B. 2 3 1 minus 6 into minus 1 4 1 minus 2. Now I am going to multiply these two matrices. First row, first column, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, plus into plus plus, 3 into 1 3. Then first row, second column, 2 4s are 8, 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Now I am going to take second row and first column, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 6 into 1 minus 6. I am going to take second row and second column, 1 into 4 4, minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12. Now this is equal to minus 2 plus 3 1, minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, 8 minus 6 2, 4 plus 12 16. Now we got AB. For this I am going to write adjoint. So adjoint of AB equal to, here we are having 2 by 2 matrix, so we are going to find adjoint for this. For that I am going to interchange the elements of leading diagonal element, that is 1 and 16. I am going to interchange 1 and 16. 16, 1. Now I am going to change the sign of the off diagonal elements. That is, I am going to change the symbol sign of others. Here we are having minus 7, so I am going to put 7. Here I am having plus 2, so I am going to put minus 2. So we got adjoint AB, so I am going to put this as result number 1, or I am going to take this as equation 1. Now I am going to take our RHS. What's our RHS? Adjoint B into adjoint A. First I am going to find adjoint B. Adjoint B equal to, what's our B? Here we are having the matrix B as minus 1, 4, 1, minus 2. For this I am going to find adjoint. First you should interchange these two elements. First you should interchange these two leading diagonal elements. So minus 2, minus 1. Then you should change the sign of the remaining elements. Here we are having the remaining elements are 4 and 1 now. Just I am going to change the symbols, sign. Here we are having plus 4, so I am going to put minus 4. Here we are having plus 1, so I am going to put minus 1. That's it. We got adjoint B. Now I am going to find adjoint A. Here we are having the main diagonal elements 2 and minus 6, so I am going to interchange minus 6 to the remaining elements are 3 and 1, so I am going to change the symbol, so minus 3, minus 1. Now I am going to find the whole RHS, that is adjoint B into adjoint A. This is equal to adjoint B. What's our adjoint B? Minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1 into, what's our adjoint A? Minus 6, minus 3, minus 1, 2. Now I am going to multiply these two matrices. First row, first column. First row, first column. See? Minus into minus plus 12. Minus into minus plus 4. Then first row, second column. Minus and minus plus 2 3s are 6. Minus 8. Now I am going to take second row and first column. 6 plus 1. Then 3 minus 2. Now this is equal to 16, 7 minus 2. We can take it as equation number 2. So here we are having equation 1 and 2 are equal. Here equation 1 and 2 are equal, so we can conclude that LHS equal to RHS, that is adjoint of AB equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Then we will move to the next problem. Here we are having problem number 5 as A equal to 2 minus 2 2 2 3 0 9 1 5. Then show that adjoint A into A equal to 0. Here we are going to show adjoint A into A equal to 0. Matrix A equal to 2 minus 2 2 2 3 0 9 1 5. Here we are going to show adjoint A into A equal to 0. Here we are going to show LHS equal to RHS. For that we are going to find adjoint A. For that we should find cofactor for all the elements. First I am going to find cofactor for the A11 equal to minus 1 part 1 plus 1 2. Then M11, this is minus 1 part 2 is 1. So 1 into M11 is the minor of 2. So I'm going to delete the first row and first column. The remaining elements are 3, 0, 1, 5. So I'm going to take determinant for the remaining elements. So I'll get 3 5s are 15 minus 0. So this is 15. Now I'm going to find cofactor for the next one, A12, that is minus 1 power 1 plus 2, 3 into M12. This is minus 1 into M12. I'm going to find minor for this. So I'm going to delete the first one, second column. So the remaining elements are 2, 0, 9, 5. For this I'm going to find the determinant. So I'll get 2 into 5, 10 minus 0. So minus 10. Minus 1 into 10 minus 10. Now I'm going to find the cofactor of the next one, A13 equal to minus 1 power 4 into minor of this. I'm going to find minor for this. So I'm going to delete the first one, third column. The remaining elements are 2, 3, 9, 1. 2 into 1, 2 minus 27. Now this is equal to 1 into minus 25. This is minus 25. Now I'm going to find the cofactor of the next one, A21 equal to minus 1 power 3 into, see, I'm going to find cofactor of this 2. So I'm going to delete the second row and first column. The remaining elements are minus 2, 2, 1, 5. For this I'm going to find the determinant. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 2. Now minus 1 into minus 12. This is nothing but 12. Now I'm going to find cofactor of the next one, A22. Cofactor of the next element. Minus 1 power 4 into A22. So here M22 will be there. So I'm going to find the minor of this. The remaining elements are 2, 2, 9, 5. 2 5s are 10 minus 9 2s are 18. So this is equal to 1 into minus 8. So this is equal to minus 8. Now A23 minus 1 power 5 into, now I'm going to find minor for 0, minor element of 0. For that I'm going to delete the second row and third column. The remaining elements are 2 minus 2, 9, 1. For this I'm going to find the determinant. So 2 minus 18. Now this is equal to minus 1 into minus plus 2 plus 18, 20. Minus 1 into 20, minus 20. Now I'm going to find cofactor of the next element, that is A31 equal to minus 1 power 4 into M31 will be there. So minus 1 power 4 is 1 into M31. Now I'm going to find minor for 9. For that I'm going to delete the third row and first column. The remaining elements are minus 2, 0, minus 2, 2, 3, 0. For this I'm going to find determinant 0, minus 6. So this is minus 6. Then A32 equal to minus 1 power 5 into M32. So this is minus 1 into M32. What's M32? Minor of 1. So for that I'm going to delete the third row and second column. So the remaining elements are 2, 2, 2, 0. So 0 minus 4. So this is 4. Then A33 the final cofactor. So minus 1 power 6 into M33 will be there. So this is minus 1 power 6 is 1 into M33, minor of the last element, minor of 5. So now I am going to find minor of 5. Further I am going to derive the third row and third column. The remaining elements 2 minus 2, 2, 3. So further I am going to find the cofactor. So 2 3s are 6 minus 4. Now this is 1 into 10. This is 10. Now I am going to write the cofactor matrix Aij equal to, what's our cofactors? 15 minus 10 minus 25 then the next one 12 minus 8 minus 20 minus 6 4 10. Now we are going to find adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix, that is Aij transpose. So now I am going to write the first row as first column, 15 minus 10 minus 25. Now I am going to write the second row as second column, 12 minus 8 minus 20. Third row as third column, minus 6 4 10. Now I am going to find the LHS, that is LHS adjoint A into E. From the LHS I am going to derive the RHS. What's our adjoint A? 15, 12, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 8, 4, minus 25, minus 20, 10. Into, here we are having A. What's our A? 2, minus 2, 2. Then 2, 3, 0, 9, 1, 5. Now we are going to multiply these two matrices, that's it. We will get the RHS. First row, first column. 30 plus 24, 54. Now the next first row, second column. Minus 30. Second row, second column. Minus 30 plus minus 6, then first row, third column, 30, 0, minus 30. Now, second row, first column, second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Then third row, first column. third row, second column. Third row, third column. See, this is equal to here 54 minus 54 0. 36 minus 30 minus 6 minus 36 plus 36 0. 30 minus 30 0. Minus 20 minus 16 minus 36 plus 36 0. 20 plus 4 24 minus 24 0. Minus 20 plus 20 0. Minus 50 minus 40 minus 90 90 plus 90 0. 50 plus 10 60 minus 60 0. Minus 50 plus 50 0. Overall 0. These are LHS. Here we got RHS from the LHS. So hence proved. Next problem. 6th one. A equal to minus 1 2 minus 2 4 minus 3 4 4 minus 4 5. Then show that the inverse of A is A itself. Here we are going to show A inverse equal to A. That's it. For that we are going to find adjoint matrix A. After that you can write inverse of A, which is nothing A. Given A equal to minus 1 2 minus 2 4 minus 3 4 4 minus 4 5. Here we are going to show A inverse equal to A. Here we are going to show inverse of A is A. That is A inverse equal to A. First I am going to find cofactor for all the 9 elements. A11 equal to, see, minus 1 part 2 into M11. This is 1 into M11. M11 is the minor of minus 12. So for that I am going to delete the first row, first column. The remaining elements minus 3, 4, minus 5, minus 4, 5 are the remaining elements. For the remaining elements I am going to find determinant. So minus 15 minus 60. Now 15 minus 31. Here we are having minus 15 now. So minus 15 plus 16 1. Then A12 equal to minus 1 part 3 into M12. Now this is equal to minus 1 into M12, minor of 2. Minor of 2. So I am going to delete first row, second column. So the remaining elements 4, 4, 4, 5. Now this is equal to minus 1 into 4. This is nothing but minus 4. Then A13 equal to A13 minus 1 part 4 into M13. That is minor of this, minor of minus 2. So I am going to delete the first row and third column. The remaining elements are 1 into the remaining elements 4 minus 3, 4 minus 4. For this I am going to find the determinant. 4 into minus 4 minus 16 minus 4 into minus 12. So this is equal to 1 into minus 16 plus 12. This is minus 4. Now cofactor of next one, a21 equal to minus 1 power 3 into m21. Now minus 1 into m21. So for this I am going to derive the first row and second row and first column. So the remaining elements 2 minus 2 minus 4 5. For this I am going to find the determinant 10 minus 8. This is minus 2. A22 equal to minus 1 power 4 into m22. For this I am going to derive second row and second column. The remaining elements minus 1, minus 2, 4, 5. For this I am going to find the determinant minus 5 minus 8. Now this is equal to minus 5 plus 8. This is equal to 3. Now I am going to find the remaining cofactor, that is a23 equal to minus 1 power 5 into. Now I am going to find cofactor for this 4. So for that I am going to derive the second row and third column. So the remaining elements are minus 1, 2, 4, minus 4. So for that I am going to find the determinant. So 4 minus 8. So this is minus 1 into minus 4. This is 4. A31 equal to minus 1 power 4 into m31. So 8 minus 6. Now this is equal to 2. Then m32 equal to minus 1 power 5 into. Now I am going to find cofactor of this minus 4. So I am going to derive the third and second column. The remaining elements minus 4 minus 8. Now minus 1 into plus 4. This is minus 4. Now the last one, a33 equal to minus 1 power 6 into 3 minus 8. Now this is equal to 1 into minus 5. This is minus 5. Now I am going to write the adjoint matrix. Before that we should write cofactor matrix. Aij equal to 1, 4, minus 4, minus 2, 3, 4, 2, minus 4, minus 5. Now we are going to find adjoint A equal to transpose of this 1, 4, minus 4, minus 2, 3, 4, 2, minus 4, minus 5. Now we are going to find determinant A. Now minus 1, 2, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 4, 4, minus 4, 5. Now I am going to expand this 3 by 3 determinant along with R1. So minus 1 into minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 2 into 4, 4, 4, 5, minus 2 into 4, minus 3, 4, minus 4. Now minus 1 into minus 15, plus 16 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 1 into 1 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into minus 4 minus 1 minus 8 plus 8 will get cancelled minus 1. This is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. Now I'm going to find A inverse. Now our Aij is 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 3 4 2 minus 4 minus 5. Now I'm going to write adjoint A equal to transpose of this 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 3 4 2 minus 4 minus 5. Our A determinant equal to determinant for this. We got A determinant as minus 1. Now we are going to find A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by A determinant into adjoint A. Now this is equal to 1 by our A determinant is minus 1 into our adjoint A. 1 minus 2 2 minus 4 minus 4 3 minus 4 4 minus 5. Now 1 by minus 1 is minus 1 into 1 minus 2 2 minus 4 3 minus 4 minus 4 4 minus 5. Now minus 1 into this minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 2 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus into this plus minus to minus plus minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 plus 5. Now we got our A inverse. See, just compare this with A. Here we are having minus 1 2 minus 2. Here also we are having minus 1 2 minus 2 4 minus 3 4 4 minus 3 4 4 minus 4 5 4 minus 4 5. This is equal to, we got the answer. Now we can do problem number 7 8 as a homework. Thank you.